Good evening, everybody. And today I have very pleasant, a colorful tray of my chai. And I think it's everyone's dream that you don't drink tea alone. So today, very close to the World Happiness Day, the World Storytelling Day, I have a wonderful team of very colorful, very, very wonderful people with me. They come from, they radiate the energy of a very special person, and she's called the person who spreads love, the hugging Amma. She's this very, very beautiful person who has actually spread energy, love, giving, and so truly represents sharing and what the NEP, what the world, what this whole last year has asked us to do. So I have with me this very, very wonderful team from Amrita Vidyalams. There are 62 of them through the country. But this team is based in Delhi and is led by Malika. So I am going to, give everybody a lovely gallery view so that you can see everybody. Namaste, Malika. Welcome. A very, very warm welcome to you. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
yes, and I will just give me half a minute, please. There's just.
And thank you. I think thank you very much, Square Funda, for welcoming us here in your.
So today I was so excited about having this team with me that I forgot to switch on my basic systems. Sometimes you get so excited. So Malika ma'am is an artist, somebody who's worked in the corporate sector, somebody who's come into education 19 years back, and who does art as living and lives it. So nobody better than her who can understand art integrated learning. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Also have Lata.
I was just saying Square Panda also. So welcoming us here in your platform. Our team here, 4 teachers, we all are here for you today.
It's interesting that in the last 44 weeks, the Square Panda has grown a beautiful community. It's a community of people who we don't even have to request, they just come and be with us. So we also have Lata, who is another very, very special member of the team, a Montessorian, and who teaches and facilitates the beginners. So Lata ma'am, unmute yourself, please. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. A very good evening to everyone. Namaste.
Then we have this full of energy, full of activity, who lives, sleeps, eats, drinks activity-based learning. And I think the NEP was made for people like Ankita. Very warm welcome, Ankita.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm welcome. Thank you.
And today I didn't have to worry about my backdrops because I knew these wonderful people are going to create their own magic. And then we have Urvashi. She's this wonder with color, with drawing, with simplicity, and making little children feel they can draw. So a very warm welcome, Urvashi.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I can see the beautiful color behind you. And then the ghungru, the dance, the music, this is all what the NEP is talking about. And I thought that what better than this set of lovely teachers to actually bring this energy. And some young people, I remember seeing Neha at her first interview, and she literally danced into the room. So welcome, Neha, with all the music, all the rhythm.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So we have the head, we have the person who leads the team, we have the teachers, and then we have the mom who works, does the profession, and then takes care of her children as well. So Deepa comes as our representative of the teacher and the mama. Welcome, Deepa.
Namaskar, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
So, like I said, the Square Panda journey has been beautiful. It's connected all of us. It's just been like a thread. We've been weaving it for the last many weeks. And today, this wonderful team is going to create this magic for us of creating the thread and the interaction between the child, the teacher, and the parent. So can we start? I'm sure everybody is really excited about seeing all of you. At the end of today's evening, we are going to have a chat with Malika ma'am, because we also want to understand what processes and systems need to change to keep this connect going really strong. So before that, let's just start this beautiful journey of the dhaga. So we'll start with all of you. Neha, we're waiting for you. All right. So धागा एक ऐसी चीज होती है कि कभी कभी उसके कनेक्शंस छूट जाते हैं, कभी कभी धागा हो सकता है किसी के हाथ से छूट जाए, कभी कभी इंटरनेट चला जाए. यू कांट से हाउ लाइफ गोज ऑन, राइट? So I think Neha has disappeared somewhere and we will wait for her to come back. But मैं क्या करती हूँ कि धागा मैं लेकर आगे बढ़ती हूँ. So अंकिता, आप धागे के साथ आप शुरू होइए, फिर जब नेहा ज्वाइन करेगी तो फिर हम थोड़ा सा और आगे धागे को ले जाएंगे, ठीक है? So ready? So धागा धीरे
चला। तो आइए, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप सब आज? तो आइए, आज हम अमृता विद्यालय से आप सबको कहानी सुनाने वाले हैं, धागे और घुंघरू की सुपारी।
Oh my God, look at
तैयार
me.
हैं? क्या आप सब तैयार हैं? यस।
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन उससे पहले हम सबको एक गाना गाना पड़ेगा. गाएं?
बिल्कुल.
ये जो धागा है ये बड़ा ही नटखट, बड़ा ही नटखट, जोर लगाए झटपट झटपट, दौड़ लगाए झटपट झटपट, परेशान करे हमें सटपट सटपट, परेशान करे हम झटपट झटपट. लेकिन अब हम इस धागे को संभालेंगे ना, बढ़ाएंगे ना, आगे बढ़ाएंगे ना. तो कैसे बढ़ाएंगे? गाना गा के बढ़ाएंगे. धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा, धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा, और बढ़ता गया और बढ़ता गया. और आपको पता है धागा बढ़ते बढ़ते कहाँ गया? जंगल में. और जंगल में उसने देखा इतने सारे हरे भरे पेड़, वाह भाई वाह, बड़े हरे भरे पेड़. और उसने सोचा यहाँ पे मैं घूम घूम के जाऊं, मैं घूम घूम के जाऊं, मैं घूम घूम के जाऊं, मैं ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. अब धागे को ऊपर से आवाज आई, चू 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 आवाज है आई, चू 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 आवाज है आई, चिड़िया रानी चिड़िया रानी, चिड़िया रानी चिड़िया रानी, चू आवाज है आई, चू 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 आवाज है आई. आगे बढ़ा धागा, आगे बढ़ा धागा, मिला मिला, पता है किससे मिला? सूंड हिलाता आया हाथी, सूंड हिलाता आया हाथी, सोचा बना लूं इसको साथी, सोचा बना लूं इसको साथी. भूख लगी तो भालू आया, भूख लगी तो भालू आया, भालू भालू भालू. और पता भालू क्या लाया? बताओ बताओ. भूख लगी तो भालू आया, भूख लगी तो भालू आया, साथ में अपने आलू लाया, साथ में अपने आलू लाया. और धागा आगे बढ़ा और बढ़ता गया,
धागा आगे बढ़ा और बढ़ता गया.
और कछुए से मिला, फिर खरगोश से मिला, और भागा 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 और दौड़ लगाई, कभी तेज लगाई कभी धीरे लगाई, कभी तेज लगाई कभी धीरे लगाई, फास्ट फास्ट एंड स्लो स्लो. धागा आगे बढ़ा देखो धीरे चला, धागा आगे बढ़ा और बढ़ता गया, बढ़ते बढ़ते वो लता मैम से मिला, बढ़ते बढ़ते वो लता मैम से मिला.
बहुत
धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा, धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा, धागा बढ़ता गया, धागा बढ़ता गया और सीखता गया और सीखता गया. क्या सीखा और क्या सीखा, क्या सीखा और क्या सीखा? जंगल में जानवर खेलते हैं, खेलते हैं, खेलते हैं, जंगल में जानवर खेलते हैं, हम भी खेलेंगे वैसे. सबसे पहले धागा किससे मिला था? सोचो सोचो सोचो.
खरगोश से.
धागा met a bird. The bird. ची 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 ची. चिड़िया से उसने उड़ना सीखा,
चिड़िया से उसने उड़ना सीखा.
Flatter, flatter, flatter. नेक्स्ट धागा, और किससे मिला था? धागा met an elephant. आया हाथी, सबको बनाया उसने साथी, उसने
So-
साथी, उसने साथी.
So सूंड हिला के आया हाथी, उसने बनाया सबको साथी. बीच बीच में लता की आवाज शायद थोड़ी सी जा रही है, तो आई विल पिच इन फॉर दैट. Whatever I hear, I'll repeat it. Right? Okay.
धागा बढ़ता गया और सीखता चला, धागा बढ़ता गया और दौड़ता गया. पाँच पाँच. He learned the speed, cheetah tortoise, and rabbit. फिर धागा आगे चला, धागा धीरे चला. भूख लगी तो खाया आलू, दिया था जिसने वो था भालू. So धागा met भालू, the bear in the end. So now let's count and put them in a sequence. Okay.
All right. Okay. So after Lata finishes, there's a little chat we are going to have. Okay, come on. So
A bird, and an elephant, two tortoise, three rabbit, four the bear, five. So now
okay.
I learn the order and the sequence also. He learned, he recalled everything and learned to put them in order. धागा धीरे चला और आगे बढ़ा, धागा धीरे चला और आगे बढ़ा. और धागे made standing line, and also the sleeping line, and also the and also Dhaga learned how to trace also with the two fingers, the standing line and the sleeping line, the slanting line, and also the curve. धागा धीरे चला और आगे बढ़ा, धागा धीरे चला, आगे बढ़कर धागा रंगों के नाम चला गया और
ओके, बहुत अच्छा. तो उर्वशी मैम के पास अब धागा आया. जैसे आप स्टोरी कंटिन्यू करिए, मैं बीच में रोकूंगी नहीं. तो उर्वशी मैम, तो चलिए आप हमें अब रंगों की दुनिया में ले चलिए धागे के साथ.
धागा आगे बढ़ा फिर रंगों से मिला, धागा आगे बढ़ा फिर रंगों से मिला, और वो आ पहुंचा रंगों की सुंदर सी दुनिया में, जहां मिली उसे इंद्रधनुष की एक सुंदर सी परी, जो ले गई उसे अपने संग और दिखलाए उसने इंद्रधनुष के 7 रंग. So there are 7 colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange, red. 7 colors in a rainbow, so my angel said. So there are 7 colors in the rainbow. और फिर क्या मैजिक हुआ? फिर धागा जब पत्ते पे गिरा वो हरा हो गया, जब फूलों पे गिरा लाल पीला हो गया, जब वो तितली पे गिरा रंगीन हो गया, रंग बिरंगा हो गया. And so this is how Dhaga learned the different colors, the colors of the rainbow. And you know what? आज वो आ गिरा है मेरी इस किताब पे, और उसने छोड़ दी है मेरी किताब पे एक सुंदर सी छाप. ये रंगीन धागा आ गिरा मेरी किताब पे, छोड़ गया एक सुंदर सी छाप. क्या आप भी बनाएंगे इसे मेरे साथ? So this is very easy to make. We have to take the colored thread dipped into different colors, place it on a sheet of paper, press it gently, pull it out, and you will get this beautiful print. And I made some more prints for you, and I want all the babies to make this. Okay? और फिर क्या हुआ? Like the old children, the children leave behind their memories with the old teacher. This dhaga also left behind his memories on our sheet of papers, and now is ready to meet our new, our beautiful, our dear Ankita ma'am. And let's see what all he has to learn from her. So, धागा आगे बढ़ा और बढ़ता गया, धागा आगे बढ़ा, अंकिता मैम के पास गया. अंकिता मैम.
Ankita ma'am, voice. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
इतने सारे रंग सीखे और अब वो गया मैम के पास.
पास.
क्या क्या सीखना है उसको मैम से?
अंकिता आप एक दफा चेक करो वॉइस आपकी.
धागा आगे बढ़ा देखो बढ़ता गया और मेरे पास आया. अब धागा हुआ सयाना. अब धागा हुआ सयाना. धागे की माँ ने पूछा.
अंकिता मैं एक बीच में इंटरवीन करूंगी. धागा जब आप अब अभी दोनों टीचर्स सब टीचर्स ने इंग्लिश और हिंदी एक साथ यूज करा. मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि पहले आप हिंदी का कर लें फिर इंग्लिश का करें. Separated completely. All right. Great.
Sure, ma'am. अब धागा हुआ सयाना. अब ये धागा हुआ सयाना. धागे की माँ ने पूछा. धागे की माँ ने पूछा, क्यों भाई धागा तुम इधर उधर घूमते हो, दौड़ लगाते हो, झटपट झटपट इधर उधर घूमते हो, ऊपर नीचे जाते हो, गोल गोल घूमते हो, स्लाइड भी करते हो, गोल गोल घूमते हो. क्या तुम थोड़ा पढ़ते हो? क्या तुम थोड़ा लिखते हो? तब धागे की मैम ने कहा. धागे की मैम ने कहा कि धागा आगे बढ़ा और पढ़ता गया. धागा आगे बढ़ा और पढ़ता गया और लिखता गया और सीखता गया. धागा पढ़ता गया, धागा सीखता गया और धागा रीडिंग वॉल से मिला जिसमें उसने बहुत सारे शब्द, बहुत सारे वर्ड और शब्दों की दुनिया में अपना प्रवेश किया. अब हमारा धागा तैयार है आगे पढ़ने के लिए, शब्दों से मिलने के लिए, अक्षरों को जोड़ने के लिए और वाक्य बनाने के लिए. तो क्या आप तैयार हैं इस धागे से मिलने के लिए?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
यस. छुक छुक, अरे छुक छुक, ये गाड़ी आ गई, रंगों नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों की सवारी आ गई. देखो, अरे देखो, ये कौन आ गया, अरे ये तो सारा डब्बा रंगों से भरा. इसमें लाल भी है, इसमें नीला भी है, इसमें हरा भी है. अरे छुक छुक, अरे छुक छुक, ये गाड़ी आ गई, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों की सवारी आ गई. देखो, अरे देखो, ये कौन आ गया, अरे ये तो सारा डब्बा रंगों से मिला. अब हमारा ये शरारती नटखट चुलबुला अच्छा बच्चा धागा पढ़ सकता है. रंगों के नाम में मात्रा लगा के पढ़ सकता है. ना ही केवल पढ़ सकता है, ये एक काम और कर सकता है. ये मैम को हरे रंग की चीजें दिखा सकता है, ये मैम को नीले रंग की चीजें दिखा सकता है और ये लाल रंग की भी चीजें दिखा सकता है. हो गया ना मेरा धागा सयाना. Now my thread can read naming words too. Naming words are name of people, places, animals and things. So are you ready? Smile nahi likh rahi kisi. Please, can I see your smile, everybody? Yes. So let's get started. Quick, quick. Be quick. Can we
Give me some
names of people?
So we don't want the common nouns, we want the proper nouns today. So Sonia, be quick.
Ankita, be quick.
Urvashi, be quick.
Tata, be
Malik. Okay.
be father, be quick. Mother, be quick.
So
Can
we
we-
have to, so we are now going to do the places and the animals and the things. And you see how beautifully the dhaga is woven, right? Places आ गए, animals आ गए, things आ गए. अब अंकिता कहाँ जा रहा है धागा?
मैम, अब ये धागा एक और धागे से मिलता है.
अच्छा.
यस, और वो धागा है बड़ा ही अच्छा, बड़ा ही अच्छा। और उस धागे से उसने सीखा कैसे नंबर वैल्यू करना, और उस धागे का नाम है गणित माला। और उसने सीखा गिनना, काउंट एंड नंबर सेंस। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is 110. Now you know, now he has grown up, right? So he can do place value as well. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. So he met another dhaga. So now he's very happy to meet another beads dhaga as well. And you know what? He can compare number also with Ali the alligator. So this Ali the alligator is very, very, very greedy. So he can go this side, that side, this side, but then he needs more number. Now my dhaga is ready to compare, ready to value, has the number sense also, and now he is all set to go, and he's able to connect, create, collaborate, think, and most importantly, he is able to apply his skills to real life, which is very, very, very important. अब मेरा धागा मुझे एक गाना सुना रहा है, आपको सुनना है वो गाना?
वो ये धागा अभी ना नेहा के पास जाना है, वो धागा और जाना था, लेकिन अभी नेहा मैम आ गई है, तो ये धागा पहले नेहा के पास चला जाएगा, उसके बाद जाएगा जहाँ जाना है। ठीक है, तो चलिए को नेहा के पास भेजते हैं थोड़ा सा।
ठीक है, फिर धागा पढ़ते 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 फिर से कहानी सुनेगा और नेहा मैम के पास जाएगा।
Good evening, everybody. I am your storyteller for this evening. So, धागे की कहानी, घुंघरू और लाठी की जुबानी।
तो नेहा, थैंक यू। हम वेट कर रहे थे कि हम आपका फिर इंट्रोडक्शन सुने और फिर धागा दीपा के पास भेजे हम। चलिए,
तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं धागे की कहानी। पर ये धागा बड़ा ही नटखट दौड़ लगाए, झटपट 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 झटपट। तो क्या करें, क्यों ना गाना गाएं, धागे को बुलाएं, गाना गाएं, धागे को बुलाएं, कैसे बुलाएं, ऐसे बुलाएं। धागा धीरे चला, देखो आगे बढ़ा, धागा धीरे चला, देखो आगे बढ़ा। और ये धागा गया जंगल में। Went inside the jungle. फिर ये धागा आगे बढ़ा, गोल गोल, ऊपर नीचे, राउंड राउंड, अप एंड डाउन, टर्न अराउंड। फिर क्या हुआ, देखो क्या हुआ, ऊपर से आवाज आई। क्या आपको भी आई आवाज? ऊपर से आवाज आई, ची 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 ची, चिड़िया आई, ची 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 ची, चिड़िया आई। सोचा इसको पकड़ में लाऊं, चिड़िया जैसे मैं उड़ जाऊं, फट 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 मैं उड़ जाऊं।
वेरी नाइस नेहा, आप हमें जरा अपना वो जो ब्यूटीफुल सा डब्बा आपने फॉरेस्ट का बनाया था वो दिखा दीजिए जरा एक दफा। आपने एक, मुझे लगता है, शू बॉक्स को लेकर एक बहुत सुंदर फॉरेस्ट का डब्बा बनाया है पॉपअप्स के साथ, बहुत सारी एनर्जी। तो मैं चाह रही थी कि अब ये धागा, अब आप धागा को भेजिए जहाँ पे भेजना था। ब्यूटीफुल नेहा, गजब का ब्यूटीफुल कलर। यस मलिका मैम।
Neha is going to use one prop which is very, very important, I think, in the classroom. And preschool teachers should have these kind of prop in the classroom.
Yes, Neha, please show it to everybody. Show us your props. Show us what you were using.
The continue with, and then you give it to the thread can be moved.
Yes. Please, Neha, go on. Show us all your props.
Okay, so I'll continue. Okay. फर उड़ गया, देखो कौन आया, ये तो हाथी आया। सोन लाता हाथी आया, उसका साथी मैंने बनाया। भूख लगी तो भालू आया, ऐसा मस्त भालू आया। साथ मिलाया वो था आलू 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा धागा धीरे चला देखो आगे बढ़ा और अभी गया ये सोनिया मैम बताएंगी अभी कहाँ गया।
थैंक यू। बहुत खूबसूरत। और आप नोटिस कर रहे थे कि नेहा के हाथ में इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स थे, लेकिन ये सब हम अब जब धागे को थोड़ा और बढ़ा के फिर बात कर रहे हैं। तो धागा आगे बढ़ा देखो आगे बढ़ा, अब ये धागा देखो घर को चला भाई घर को चला। अब इसके बाद मुझे कहानी नहीं आती, आप लोगों को गा के सुनाना पड़ेगा अंकिता मैम, धागा कहाँ चला। तो आप सब जरा मिलके सुना।
यस मैम। धागा आगे बढ़ा देखो बढ़ता गया और धागे ने मैम को बोला, अपनी सारी मैम को बोला धागे ने, अब मैं घर को जाऊंगा अब मैं घर को जाऊंगा, माँ को भी सिखलाऊंगा माँ को भी बतलाऊंगा, अब मैं घर को जाऊंगा, थ्रेड पेंटिंग करूंगा, स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाऊंगा, स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनाऊंगा, अप एंड डाउन करूंगा, लेफ्ट एंड राइट करूंगा, रीडिंग वॉल बनाऊंगा वर्ड्स को मैं पढ़ूंगा, गणित माला भी लाऊंगा, अब मैं घर को जाऊंगा, पढ़ता चला जाऊंगा, नाचता चला जाऊंगा, गाता चला जाऊंगा, खेलता चला जाऊंगा, बस अब घर को जाऊंगा, अब मैं घर को जाऊंगा, बढ़ता चला जाऊंगा।
लवली लवली। सो अब धागा पहुंच गया ममा के पास। तो दीपा अब आपका टर्न है। ममा एज यूजुअल बहुत पेशेंट, and Deepa anyway reflects this beautiful patience every time I see her. So Deepa, welcome in as not only a teacher but a mama who saw this big change happen in the last few months. So while the teachers were thinking what to do, tell me, what was your thought as a parent?
But when this online thing started, online classes, it was like we were all little worried. Would it be that effective as it is in the classroom? But as you can see, beautiful story. I could see the dhaga moving in front of my eyes. I could imagine where it was going. I could feel like forest. मैं forest में पहुंच गई थी धागे के।
Acha, so you were saying, and also these kind of energy that the teachers showed today.
Exactly.
Does it encourage parents? Does it make parents feel comfortable?
Ma'am, it has sparked my creativity. Even I have penned down few lines, if you allow me to.
Please, please, I would love to hear it. Yes.
Okay. धागा आगे बढ़ा अपने घर है आया, धागा आगे बढ़ा अपने घर है आया, जो टीचर ने सिखाया वो घर में है दोहराया, जो टीचर ने सिखाया वो घर में दोहराया, पापा मम्मा को सिखाया, दादी दादू को सिखाया, दीदी भैया को सिखाया, धागा आगे बढ़ा धागा सीखता चला, धागा सीखता चला, धागा बढ़ता गया.
So, I'm going to bring in Deepa ma'am. You're not going away somewhere, but I'm going to bring Malika ma'am here, and I'm going to ask her a question. And Malika ma'am, you head this wonderful team of energetic teachers. They literally, I was feeling they're going to step out and come out now. So, as a team leader, two things that I want to ask you. One is that what kind of an environment do you give your teachers to let them be like this? Is question number one. And the second question is, what kind of cooperation or resistance are you seeing from the parents of, the environment, of your environment?
Ma'am, as you said that I'm an art person, right? So creativity is very, very important in my life, and I feel for my teachers also. And I feel that, okay, to bring up a good skilled team, I have to empower them with different activities and build up a good team. You need to give them space, and you have to trust them. You have to have patience to bring out their confidence level. And then what I feel very, very important, that we always say that unique student you want. I say unique teacher.
Beautiful.
You know, so unique teacher. Everybody has potential. To take out that potential from them, you to really have to motivate each and every time. You have to give them that work which is they are capable of.
Hmm.
So that way, we have to make a team ready.
And what kind of parental support have you seen, ma'am? What is the input from the parents for what you observe?
Ma'am, absolutely. We are going, these days, the PTM is happening, they are coming. They're absolutely very happy. This holistic way of teaching, they are really happy with because they can see how smoothly that they are easy to learn the concept from the classroom. Even they are also a little apprehensive first at the virtual platform, how we going to teach them. But looking at these activities, this storytelling, theatrical effect in the classroom, they are also very, very happy. And they now this 1 and 2. First of all, these parents they came to me, ma'am, kaise hoga? They will able because it's a formal teaching starts. Kaise karenge?
Yes.
Are they able to do it? But of course, it's by this holistic way of teaching approach, like pre-primary approach has gone to 1 and 2 also. They are absolutely happy.
Oh,
They are
that's a
also
lovely
learning.
thing.
I think Deepa has told you. They are also learning along with the children. They are also
Right.
with us. First this help was not there. Now they are helping the teachers to make material ready that the next class, they can able
Okay,
to do these
lovely.
activities.
So this
Yeah.
activity-based
The
learning,
requirement for
yeah.
the next class, they are able to, give us that help. And so we are easily can do any activity which we are planned.
All
This
right.
kind
So
of
another,
thing.
yeah. So another very interesting thing, Manika ma'am, is when I have known your team for many years, and I remember we were doing this activity-based learning about 8, 9 years back. You all decided to convert completely from a traditional environment to an activity-based environment. Today, do you feel it's been a big benefit for the school that you changed so many years back?
Yes, because we don't have to do anything. We have changed our curriculum 8 years by our principal was so she has so far-sightedness. I think she has given us ample space and time to do our own way. And I that you were there also, you witnessed that we have brought all forms of art, sports in our curriculum.
And I think also a lot of tradition. I think that's one thing which you're very proudly representing. A lot of traditional norms, traditional ways of doing things, simplicity. And the best part about what I see is you all don't waste resources. You all work well within resources, even though you have, I mean,
Literally, yes, yes. I do remember the simple, that box of, this carton used to come. We have turned that carton. You can see in Neha. That a
yeah,
simple carton she has used.
yes,
She
yes,
has used as a staircase and to give a layer to the jungle. And the
yeah,
simplest this thing she has used. She has not used much, very expensive material to,
yes, yes,
convert that carton
wonderful.
into a jungle. You can
So,
see.
so Deepa, I'll come back to you and I'll ask you, as a parent, we are going to undergo a big change of the mindset because children, you don't know how long they're going to be home. How important is the role of the father? Because you see, even when we were singing the song, we kept saying, "Maa ke taraf gaya."
Market.
So
Exactly.
please tell us what you feel is the role of the parents as such. How much of involvement do you see a change in the fathers? What is it that you observe, both as a teacher and as a parent?
Ma'am, I believe that this triangle, the teacher, student, and parent triangle is very important. Without the parents' help, teachers are also helpless. We are the base, like they are at the base, right? They're helping the teachers. We together, it's is a team, right? And parents, both the parents need to help. Mothers, father, both, right?
Do you see
And
any change that has happened in these last few months? Do you feel that you see more involvement from the dads? Because I remember when we used to attend the PTM, the fathers mostly would come lost and not even know the section of the children.
Yeah,
And
even
yes,
I'm a
with
witness to
us,
it. Yeah, they would just look at you and say, "Koi kg mein hai." And do you feel that that's going to be different now? I mean, no offense to dads. I mean, you are the most loved. Remember, daddies are always the heroes. But we are also saying that are they participating more in the learning process now?
And the parents are also attending the classes with their kids. I must say, it's Baid or Boon. This online classes have been attended by parents as well.
So I think that the one way that I see it is that this time has been the best time for early years to train the parents to become lifelong, thread holders for the children. So I remember one parent who she runs a big school, and she was telling me that parent is the base educator. Schools assist the parent to bring up the children. I found that so beautiful, and I think that's coming true at this point of time where there is going to be a big change. See, even when the children come back because of the NEP, there is going to be a big change, going forward. So, Malika ma'am, I would like to ask you, as a head of a system, because I have always said, don't blame teachers, blame the system. Because they get tied into the system, so they can be as energetic as we see. So, what is, if you can just, on the platform, tell other schools, other people watching, what is the big shift you have made to get ready to receive the NEP 2020 into your school?
We have, first of all, we have worked a lot on the, emotional and, this well-being of the teachers. We have made a buddy system here, like teachers, buddy system we have made. And like, so all teachers are not same. Some are from, traditional background, they are coming and they are not used to this art integration studies, That's what is
integration also, yes.
So we have made a buddy teacher, like Neha is good in something and another teacher XYZ is good in something. We have, collaborated with all teachers.
Oh, lovely. Yes. So truly and it's working, Malika ma'am. Is it working? Are they feeling comfortable?
They are feeling comfortable, and they are learning also. Now my teacher of 50 to 54 years old, when she was teaching the traditional way, now she has also started jumping, with Neha, with Preeti, with XYZ teachers. Those teachers, they are also, with the young teachers, they also started jumping. They are making, this flashcard, everything ready for the next, class. Even with, with this mask and all, they are also trying to do theater in the class. So what else I want, what else I want from them? And, with, you see, you're talking about this parent, with parent are also helping us, if sometime like just now, Neha got disconnected, net issues. Our parent, they are so, they give us a helping hand, they start the prayer. So that discipline also they have become.
Oh my God, all right. How
if you're talking about, it is already in the process in our school.
How beautiful is that? And it also encourages a lot of people, saying that if we are positive, if we are, if we can create a good energy in the environment, I think then getting this whole process of change is not going to be difficult. And another thing which I perhaps would talk from this platform to everybody who's watching us today is that, let's start getting the children ready to come back to school. We have to get ready. And what I wanted to convey, Malika ma'am, is that you head a system. These are lovely teachers from a school. And in my understanding, I'm not a medical doctor, I am not a practitioner, but I am a preschool teacher and I've been a preschool teacher all my life. And I know the kind of safety norms we follow and we will never ever slip on them. Do you agree with that?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes, Urvashi, Ankita, do you feel teachers will be super careful if the children are brought back to school?
Yes. We want it actually. They should be in the school because that connect somewhere, we feel that missing. If they are in front of us, we were also happy to meet them and we will be happy to get this color. We are going to teach them a more, effective way. Anyways, but virtual platform is also helping us.
No, it is beautiful. There is no doubt on it. And I think also today what you all conveyed through this program was, please also remember for the people who are watching, that these teachers were fitting in a lot into a small program which was adult based. So they fitted in both the languages, they fitted in a lot of variations, and they went very, very fast. This is not the speed they will follow in the class. So please don't that this is the speed. Yeah, I just wanted to, because it's a public platform. Tomorrow, I don't want anyone to misunderstand the process of what we have created. So, what we wanted to create was this huge energy. And I told them, don't restrict yourself. I think that was what I had also told them, don't restrict yourself. But when you're teaching in the classroom, it will be in small portions. It will be like the one day there will be a thread teaching color. The next day the thread will be teaching the painting. The third day it will be teaching the Hindi names. The fourth day it will be the English names. So please don't go back and try all of this together.
You know that game which Ankita was playing in the classroom is one
Yes.
day. They will play that
Yes.
name place
Yes.
animal thing. So it's
Yeah.
all learning. It's we are drilling the concept day by day. We have a planned schedule.
Yes.
Realized
And Malika ma'am,
Yeah.
what I was loving was that there was so much of energy, I mean, they were just like, we have to do everything. And I think that is what I was conveying about good digital teaching is the people were asking us, what are the techniques of good digital teaching? Do it from your soul. I think that's a good online teacher because she really literally comes out of the screen and holds the children. So you have to be larger than life. Lend yourself out to the parents. I think, like Deepa ma'am said, the parents are also getting trained and they're enjoying this phase of
I feel, Sonia ma'am, that we have to be very expressive. The expression should be
Yeah.
loud. That
Yes.
then only the children they get attracted towards the teachers.
so
Why I'm
larger
talking
than life.
prop, the headgears and the musical instrument. These are very important because to attract the children because we are catering to 3+, 4+. They
Yes.
love all this.
And did you notice one thing for the audience? None of them covered their face. There was no mask on the face. There was no covering of the child's eyes, no covering of the face. I think that's one very important thing to do as teachers that whenever you work with children, don't put and cover children's faces. Use bands, use props, use other resources which are so easy to do. And I think most important, get your lists together. So, usually I keep the connections very neutral to this platform. But it is so interesting that this is a team that I met many years back. And they follow a process of kind of learn activity-based learning, which I've been doing for many years. You can see all the trains around them. But this particular team has actually come on every Square Panda Sunday. Am I right?
Absolutely. If you see your bank, data bank, you will see all the Amrita's teachers. They are,
Yes.
absorbing Square Panda platform.
Yeah. And how wonderful. This is exactly the collaboration which we wanted. That can we create, and it's a very interesting thing. I will wind this up with. I also wanted to give a very special thank to the head of Amrita Vidyalayam, Samapika ma'am, because I just had to ask once. I said that can the team come, because I want to show I want to showcase the energy of this team. And I think in 30 seconds the answer was yes. And this is not one of the school that actually does too much of advertisements or goes out on the platforms. So I think we are very humble that all of you wonderful people agreed to come to and increase the entire energy of our platform. But so a big hug from all of us, and we hope we get a hug back from all of you.
Thank you so much.
So anything that you all want to say before you
I
go?
want to say that happy day. Today's World Happy Day.
Yeah, it was there 2 days back, but we celebrated today, Malika.
So we celebrate and we say that, okay, this is what we are doing for the progressive nation. We want a progress nation. So this is the platform where we are, the foundational group is that, they are the root classes. They have to be very strong, very motivated, flexible, and passionate towards their work.
Yes, and thank you so much. Anybody else who wants to say something before we close? Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything.
Thank you. Urvashi, were you wanting to say something?
Yeah, ma'am, even after, taking online classes for the whole session, we didn't meet our children in person, not even once. But when the parents came, and few parents came on PTM with the children as well, although we told them not to bring, keeping the safety and everything in mind, but still they were feeling, they told, I think every teacher heard from the parents and children that, ma'am, they don't want to leave you and go to next class. I mean, I don't know how we connected so well with the children. I mean, they were feeling emotional. They were saying, no, ma'am, you be with him. I mean, how can it be not meeting them in person and then still having
And
this
the
connect?
whole, yeah.
Yeah, and the trust the parents shown, I mean, they showed us this session. I mean, really.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. That
yeah.
is a beautiful story to end with. And also for all of you teachers, there's this Square Panda is opening out a platform where you can send your stories to them. So please do that. Send these little snippets to us with a photograph, with what your parents said about you, what this time was. You don't know in how many months we have to, take this along. So each of this story will add a little more energy to everybody. And God bless you all, and namaskar, and thank you so much.
Thank you so
Very.
much.
And we have to end with a hug. So virtual hug, all of us. Thank you. Thank you.
Square, square, panda.